Most people believe fat loss demands long, exhausting workouts, heavy equipment, complicated routines, or extreme intensity that leaves you drenched and barely able to move. And that belief, more than anything else, is the reason your progress feels slow, inconsistent, or completely stuck. If you are busy, tired, overwhelmed, or unable to stick to long programs, then this video is designed exactly for you. Because today, I'm going to guide you through a focused, precise, and incredibly efficient 7-minute full body fat burn workout. No equipment, no jumping if you don't want it, no wasted movement, and absolutely no chaos. This routine is not about doing more, it is about doing it correctly. You see, most people struggle with fat loss for reasons that have nothing to do with motivation or genetics. Your workouts fail because of three simple but powerful mistakes. You rush through exercises, you chase exhaustion instead of engagement, and you stop working out the moment life becomes stressful. This pattern is universal. You start strong, maybe for a week or two. You feel motivated, energized, and ready to commit. But then work deadlines hit. Sleep suffers. You feel mentally drained. And suddenly, exercise becomes another responsibility you're trying to squeeze into an already overloaded schedule. Short workouts are not the reason you stop progressing. Poor execution is. Let me explain something most people never hear. Your body does not burn fat because a workout feels hard, sweaty, or extreme. It burns fat when the right muscles are activated consistently over time with proper tension and good form. When you sprint through exercises without control, your joints absorb the impact instead of your muscles doing the work. When your core switches off, your hips and lower back compensate. When your posture collapses, momentum takes over and your heart rate may spike, but your fat burning efficiency drops. This 7-minute routine fixes all of that. Every movement has a purpose. Every second matters. Every exercise is designed to activate multiple muscle groups at once so you get the most benefit in the least amount of time. Here's how the structure works. 7 exercises, 40 seconds of controlled work, 20 seconds of smooth transition, 1 round, 7 minutes total. It is simple, but simple does not mean easy. Follow the form, control your breathing, and stay present in each movement. Let's break down each exercise. Exercise 1. Squat to reach stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Before even moving, lightly brace your core. Imagine tightening a belt around your waist. This small step protects your spine and instantly improves your posture. Sit your hips back and down as if lowering into a chair. Your chest stays tall, your spine stays long, and your knees follow the line of your toes. As you rise to stand, reach both arms overhead. Fully extend your arms, but avoid arching your lower back. Your ribs should stay down. You should feel your thighs, glutes, and core working together. If you feel strain in your knees or tension in your lower back, slow down your tempo and shorten your range of motion. This first exercise warms your entire body, opens your hips, activates your legs, and sets your posture for the rest of the workout. Exercise 2, push-up or incline push-up. Start with your hands directly under your shoulders. Your body forms a straight line from head to heels, no sagging, no hiking the hips up. Before lowering your chest, squeeze your glutes. This protects your lower back and creates full body tension. Lower with control. Push the ground away as you rise. If this feels too challenging, use an incline like a bench, couch, or wall. Good form always beats a harder variation performed incorrectly. This movement targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously. You should feel strong and stable, not shaky or collapsing. Exercise 3, reverse lunge with knee drive. Step 1 foot backward instead of forward. This simple change reduces pressure on your knees and improves stability. Lower into a lunge. Your front thigh should move toward parallel with the floor, and your torso stays upright. Push through your front heel to rise. As you come up, drive your back knee toward your chest. Pause briefly to engage your core before stepping back again. Move slowly and maintain balance. Rushing defeats the purpose of the movement. This exercise integrates your legs, hips, and core while also improving coordination and balance, both crucial for functional strength. Switch legs halfway if that helps you stay balanced. Exercise 4, plank shoulder taps. Start in a strong plank position with hands under shoulders and feet slightly wider than hip width. Before lifting a hand, press the floor away. You should feel your shoulder blades stabilize and your core turn on. Lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder. Return it to the floor, then switch sides. Minimal hip movement. If your hips swing from side to side, slow down and focus on stability. This movement lights up your deep core muscles, the ones responsible for posture, balance, and real-world strength. Exercise 5. Hip hinge to reach stand tall with your hands resting lightly on your thighs. Push your hips backward as if trying to close a car door behind you without using your hands. Your spine remains neutral and your chest moves forward slightly. Return to standing and reach your arms forward and upward. You should feel a stretch in your hamstrings during the hinge and powerful glute activation as you stand. This exercise reinforces proper bending mechanics that protect your lower back during daily tasks like lifting, picking up objects, or even sitting down safely. Exercise 6. Low-impact mountain climbers. Begin in a plank position once again. Drive one knee toward your chest. Bring it back with control. Switch sides. This is not a race. Slow and deliberate reps activate your deep core far more effectively than rushing. Your shoulders should stay stable. Your hips should stay level. Your breathing should stay steady. This variation elevates your heart rate while preserving joint safety and full muscular engagement. Exercise 7. Standing. March with rotation. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Lift one knee to hip height. As you do, gently rotate your torso toward that knee. Return to center and switch sides. Move at a deliberate pace. Rotation should come from your core, not from swinging your arms or twisting your lower back. This movement reinforces core engagement, improves balance, and restores rotational mobility that most people lose from sitting all day. That completes the full 7-minute workout. But remember, 7 minutes is only effective if done correctly. Now let's talk about expectations, realistic, sustainable expectations. This workout will not replace structured strength training. It will not magically erase belly fat. It will not spot reduce fat from any area of your body. But here is what it will do. It will reintroduce consistency into your routine. It will wake up underused muscles. It will improve your movement quality and posture. It will help you build momentum. And momentum, not intensity, is what produces real fat loss results. If you perform this routine 4 to 6 days per week, you can expect noticeable improvements in stamina within 2 weeks. Your posture will improve within a month. And with balanced nutrition, you will begin seeing measurable body composition changes. Not extreme, but real and sustainable ones. I am not promising drastic overnight transformation. Fat loss is a physiological adaptation that requires time, repeated signals, and consistency. Short workouts only work when they eliminate excuses and build habits that last. Before you leave, one more essential reminder. If you feel sharp, joint-based pain, stop. Muscle burn is okay. Joint pain is not. Modify movements where needed. Quality matters infinitely more than forcing intensity or chasing exhaustion. When you finish the workout, take 30 seconds to breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, and let your heart rate settle. You do not need more workouts. You need better workouts, done consistently. If this session felt clear, simple, and manageable, save it. Repeat it again later today or tomorrow. And if you want the next logical step, slightly more intensity without complexity, watch the next video. Your body does not need chaos. It needs clarity, and now you have it.